This is Mrs. O'Neill for Chapter 20, your review questions and problems. Again, another great visual to understand how those electrons are moving in a redox reaction. You're going to play this video and pause when you see a question or a problem, and some of them have multiple parts. Answer them mentally or on paper using your reference sheets and your calculator. Continue playing the video to check your answers with Mayan, and some of these are going to be above and beyond what you're going to see on the test in class, but will help you with your exam. So number one, redox reaction. Again, you're dealing with this redox reaction and answering some questions. And for letter C, there is a chart on the next slide. So hopefully you paused, read over, came up with some answers, except for letter C, obviously. So letter C, you need this information. Hopefully you picked out the correct reactions for your energy volt values. And so now your answer to A. I will tell you that on the AP exam, usually they don't ask you to really draw the entire cell, but they might have, again, a sketch of the cell, and you would have to label things. You'd have to label correctly your iron with your platinum over here, and your manganese with your platinum as well, and which way the electrons would be going. B, again, a nice visual for you on that molecular level. And C, now that you had that chart, you should have been able to pick out the correct reactions to deal with and add up your E values. All right, here we go with number 2, dealing with nickel. Again, that data, that chart for your voltic cell, your volts values are on the next slide. And here's that list again. And your answer. And B. And now off to magnesium. Okay, here's your answer to A and B. Again, nice. This is a nice free response question that they might give you because you're using a lot of conversions to get you to where you need to go. So again, think about those units you want at the end and think about how to get there. Silver and iron. All right, so again, that chart's going to be on the next slide, but you can use either your Appendix C in your book or online values. So here's that chart. And here's A. And here's B. And C. And this again is an equation that you see on your reference sheets, and it is used sometimes on the exam. So hopefully that makes sense to you. And we're on to number 5. And hopefully you pause and try to come up with an answer for A. Oh, and B. Sorry about that. So 6 moles there is your answer. All right, good luck on your test.